Those are the parts we are going to send you. Remove the cover and extract the fuse to disconnect the battery circuit for safe maintenance. First, take off the rear tail lamp, bend it outward slightly, then push down and you can remove it easily. Unscrew those screws. Rotate the battery. Open the top cover. Locate the position aligned with the charging port. Move away the battery pack. Find the screws. Cut the wires. Unscrew the screws. And take out the charging accessories. First, pass the screw through the two wires. Pass it through the hole. Then weld it on the outside. This way is safer. Welding is the most difficult part and requires extra care, patience, and assistance. Weld the other side in the same way. Push it into the slot. Then tighten the screws. Route the wiring and tidy up the waterproof seals. Put the battery pack back in place. Close the cover. Reverse the battery, then tighten the screws. Fit back the fuse and rear lamp.